My name is Dr. Kyle Murray. I am with Atlas Brain Spine in Upland, California, and we are a NUCA chiropractic office, which is a specialty of upper cervical chiropractic, and I'm one of the doctors there. If the body has the innate ability to heal, you should be able to promote that and you should amplify that. A lot of medications and a lot of drugs diminish that ability. You're masking it, you're preventing the body to heal. You might be minimizing your pain, right? You might be taking an anti-inflammatory or an antibacterial or an antiviral drug, and maybe you're helping that specific thing, but you're also causing then the rest of the system to be affected by that too. If you're taking multiple medications, multiple drugs, this is something I think about all the time. One of the statistics now is that every decade of life is the equivalent to how many drugs on average that person might be taking. So if you are 60, the average 60-year-old is taking 6 medications, which is crazy, right? If you're taking 6 medications, how do those interact within the body? I don't know. There's no way to compare that. There's no way to study that to see what's going on when all 6 medications that you're taking in the same time period interact with each other and then interact with the organ systems and interact with the blood. So the body is not able to properly begin to function if that's the case. You're really diminishing, you're really dampening the body's ability to do what it's supposed to do. So if you can amplify the body's ability to heal, then that's what's ultimately going to allow for the natural healing of the body. So upper cervical chiropractic, by getting the nervous system clear, by restoring the proper alignment of the head and neck, you're amplifying the body's ability to heal because you're allowing for proper communication. We're not giving you anything to hide it. We're not giving you new medications, but we're in fact amplifying the body. So you might feel more right away. You might feel an increase in your symptoms for a short period of time. You might feel really great right away, right? Everybody's a little bit different, but you're amplifying what the signals are being sent within the body versus dampening them.